Welcome back to Soulful Kitchen, where design meets daily living in the most beautiful ways. Today we're exploring a modern walnut kitchen that captures winter's quiet magic through soft lighting and thoughtful design. Whether you're renovating or simply dreaming, this space whispers elegance and comfort. Let's dive in together and discover how to create your own sanctuary. Imagine stepping into this serene walnut sanctuary where morning light dances across chocolate-toned cabinets, kissing marble countertops with golden warmth. The frost-kissed windows frame winter's quiet beauty outside, while pendant lights cast that perfect glow. It's the kind of kitchen that whispers elegance, sophisticated, clean, and utterly inviting for your morning coffee ritual. This kitchen is a love letter to modern living. Deep walnut grains tell stories of craftsmanship while golden hour light creates the most magical ambience. Chrome hardware sparkles subtly, and those open shelves? They're beautifully curated with just what matters. Winter views beyond frost-kissed panes complete the scene, timeless, refined, utterly captivating, and absolutely dreamy. Picture yourself in this walnut-wrapped haven where warmth radiates from every thoughtful detail. The marble backsplash whispers elegance with its delicate veining, while recessed lighting bathes everything in perfect, even glow. Floating shelves dance along the walls, and outside, winter's serene landscape frames this sophisticated sanctuary. It's cozy luxury at its finest, your personal retreat. Soft light wraps around this contemporary masterpiece like a warm embrace, highlighting walnut's natural character beautifully. Oversized windows frame winter's poetry, bare branches and frost patterns dancing across glass. Those frosted pendant lights? Pure magic. Minimalist cabinet doors and deep brown tones speak volumes about refined taste. This kitchen doesn't shout. It whispers sophistication in the most inviting way imaginable. Welcome to warmth personified. This modern walnut kitchen glows with chocolate-hued cabinetry that feels both luxurious and approachable. Natural light diffuses beautifully across surfaces, creating that sought-after soft ambience. Large panes frame winter's peaceful landscape, while subtle metallic accents catch the glow. The minimalist approach breathes room to think, creating a sanctuary where every moment feels intentional and cherished. Here's where refinement meets comfort in the most beautiful way. Deep walnut wood speaks of quality and permanence, while soft lighting choreographs a gentle dance across grain patterns and textural details. Expansive glass windows open to winter stillness outside, grounding you in peaceful moments. Stainless fixtures reflect warmth, and geometric forms create architectural poetry. This kitchen simply feels right, sophisticated yet utterly livable. Luxury whispers through this walnut-rich space where soft ambient lighting creates pure magic. Large windows generously frame winter's frosted beauty, making you feel connected to nature's quiet rhythm. Minimalist cabinetry celebrates walnut's authentic character without apology. White countertops with subtle patterns ground everything beautifully. Chrome and stainless accents catch light like jewelry. It's the kind of kitchen that makes you pause, breathe, and truly appreciate thoughtful design. This kitchen is sophisticated storytelling through design. Walnut cabinetry in deep, rich tones creates anchoring warmth, while layered lighting adds depth and dimension throughout. Expansive windows become your meditation. Winter's quiet stillness becomes part of your daily ritual. Modern stainless steel appliances reflect soft warmth beautifully. Marble surfaces glow with subtle elegance. Every element communicates intentional luxury, creating a space that ages gracefully with you. Softness defines this modern walnut sanctuary, where warm lighting makes everything feel embraced and cherished. Tall windows become your daily window to winter's serenity. Frost patterns creating nature's own artwork. Sleek cabinetry celebrates walnut's honest grain texture without artifice. Polished countertops in light tones reflect light with gentle sophistication. Geometric door designs add architectural interest. Walking into this space feels like coming home to refined, intentional living. Breathe in the peacefulness of this contemporary haven, where walnut's honey undertones create instant warmth. Soft lighting, both natural and ambient, collaborates to create an atmosphere that soothes the soul. Panoramic windows gift you winter's barefoot beauty. Those silhouettes against white skies are pure poetry. Refined stainless appliances play supporting roles while marble backsplash whispers elegant support. This is where luxury meets genuine comfort. Serenity has never looked so beautifully designed. This walnut kitchen wraps you in gentle warmth through thoughtful lighting that feels natural, never harsh. Expansive frosted windows frame winter's peaceful dialogue with nature. Minimalist cabinets in rich brown celebrate wood's honest character. Those contemporary pendant fixtures? They're sculptural and functional simultaneously. Sleek countertops glow with reflected warmth. Open layout breathes generously. It's the kitchen you've always envisioned. Elegant, serene, unmistakably yours. Admire how soft illumination orchestrates a walnut symphony, highlighting grain patterns like nature's own artwork. Large picture windows become your gallery. Peaceful winter landscapes continuously refresh your soul. Minimalist design philosophy lets walnut and light do the talking. Clean geometric lines create architectural poetry. Polished surfaces whisper rather than shout. Stainless steel accents catch light like carefully placed jewelry. Premium doesn't mean complicated. It means this masterful restraint. Golden light bathes this modern sanctuary, creating that coveted ambience you've always wanted. Expansive windows frame winter's crystalline beauty, frost patterns becoming your daily art installation. Deep chocolate brown cabinetry grounds the space with confidence and warmth. White countertops breathe light throughout. Chrome hardware catches those golden rays like tiny celebrations. Minimal visual clutter respects your mental space. This is upscale living without pretension. Just honest, beautiful design that makes you smile daily. This kitchen whispers rather than demands, and that's its greatest gift. Careful lighting design wraps the space in welcoming warmth that feels like being held by something beautiful. Large windows frame tranquility. Winter's stillness becomes your meditation anchor. Minimalist walnut cabinetry celebrates honest materials without fuss. Refined countertops ground everything gracefully. Modern stainless fixtures reflect warm light like quiet conversation partners. This is sophisticated living distilled to its essence, elegant, calm, profoundly inviting. So there you have it, the perfect blend of contemporary sophistication and cozy warmth right in your kitchen. Remember, great design isn't about perfection. It's about creating spaces that make you feel truly at home. If you love this kitchen inspiration, please hit that like button, subscribe for more design magic, and drop your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love hearing from you.